It's Tuesday, September 9th. In the headlines, smooth reopening for Kingston and St. Andrews schools after Election Day. Herflow Foundation aims to end period poverty. In business news, Mr. Livingstone Morrison is the new Chief Executive Officer of the Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited. Regionally, Guyana's Electoral Commissioner alleges electoral failures benefited ruling PPPC in Guyana elections. And in sports, Reggae Boys coach Steve McLaren confident ahead of crucial World Cup qualifier against Trinidad. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.